3 voittoa ja 1 kakkostila. Maailmanmestari on aloittanut tittelin puolustamisen vahvasti. MM-johto seuraavaan on jo 34 pistettä, eli se kestää helposti tähän kohtaan yhden keskeytyksenkin. Eikä kukaan siltikään ole vielä uhkaamassa pettelyä. Saksalainen myöntääkin, että nyt kilpailemisen voi keskittyä huomattavasti rentoutuneemmin.
My target was to win, to become world champion one day. And the moment you reach it, it's difficult to grasp. It takes some time to understand, but it never stops to feel good. And the most important is that you have proven for yourself that you can do it. You can be the best. You can be with the top guys. So that's very important. And this year, I might feel a bit more relaxed because I know that I've done it. But that doesn't mean that it is easy to do it again. It's still it takes a lot of work and a lot of small steps to go that way again and to be close to win the championship again.
Michael Schumacher pitää hallussaan lähes kaikkien merkittävien tilastojen ykköstiloja, ja niihin saavutuksiin on Vettelillä vielä matkaa. Tosin on aikaa. Ja ainakin tällä hetkellä näyttää, että mikäli motivaatiota riittää, eivät kaikki Schumin ennätykset sittenkään ole lyömättömiä. Herrat ovat hyviä ystävyyksiä, joskin vain tietyllä tasolla.
Mostly we talk about normal things, so things like you talk with your friends probably as well, or with people you know. Not so much about Formula One, about work, so, but then you can always feel that none of the two would like to give something out. We all try to keep our information for ourselves.
Sebastian Vettelissä yrittivät kaikki supertähden ainekset. Nopea, yhteistyökykyinen, hauska, äärimmäisen älykäs ja nopea oppimus. Suomen kieli alkaa taistua nimittäin jo aika mukavasti.
Siis joku on varma, niin se on aivan varma. Red Bull antaa siivet ja Renaultin moottori juoksee kuin kani. Ei pitkälle, mutta nopeasti. Mutta kakakersi ei ole hyvä.
Kuntovalmentaja Tommi Pärmäkosken myötä Vettelin otettiin jääkiekon MM-kisojen aikaa myös siirrytty TV:n ääreen, eli tietysti finaalipelin aikaa.
Of course I've seen the game as well, the final. I have seen that Finland beat Germany in the penalty shooting in the end, in the group stage, but then went on to win the final. And it's crazy, but it's good to see, that sport can mean so much to the people. And maybe a little bit too much because I've seen naked people on TV and running around and going pretty crazy, even though it wasn't very, very hot. Still pretty cold at night at least. And ice hockey players taking the president, hugging the president. So it's not, it's nice to see because I think we are so stiff. In many countries, most of the countries, a lot of things are so stiff and so little emotions, and I think it's nice when the people have something, and especially with sports, they can express themselves and just go crazy. Obviously, we had the World Cup in 2006. We didn't win, but the atmosphere was great, and it's nice to see that sports can bring so much joy. Maybe too much in your case, but so much joy to the people.